Hey guys, welcome to No Meal Wasted. Today, we're gonna make a big old breakfast bowl. If you've leftover rice or cauliflower stir fry, anything that's in the fridge, this is a really good time to use it. A breakfast bowl is an incredible way to make no meal wasted. My sound guy has a lip sit and he won't leave the house. So it's just gonna be you, me, and this voiceover. Let's go! You always wanna start with a base. For this, we're gonna use our okonomiyaki scraps. Looks good, doesn't it? Looks real good. Everyone's gonna want some. Everyone. Set the oven to 425 degrees and roast a bunch of sweet potato slices or potato slices. It's until they're golden brown, golden brown. And grill up some green onions and then just slice them all up, chop them all up. Chop it. Put that green onion in there, slice up some avocado, put a couple of those 6.5-minute eggs on there. I showed you how to do that last week. Then in a separate bowl, mix some tahini and ponzu. It's gonna thicken up as you stir it, so you're gonna wanna add water. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon. You can also make whatever kind of tahini drizzle you like. Put blood oranges in there. Mix up some sriracha in there. You could do some curry powder. Anything that you kind of think sounds delicious, mix it with the tahini and it'll be magic. Fish out those little seeds. Yep. Mix. Look at that beautiful drizzle. Then you just want to drizzle it all over your bowl until you have as much or as little sauce as you like. I'm a saucy girl. I like it saucy. Add some sesame seeds or some of that Trader Joe's everything spice mix. Ooh, damn! Or both. Add some little red onion slices, some little green onion slices, a little chili flake. Add some serrano slices or jalapeno slices for a little bit of color and pep. Ooh, just another drip. Told ya, I like it saucy. Saucy. There you have it. Well, let's get in focus. Yep, okay, there we go. Beautiful. That is, okay. Again, in focus, not in focus, but it's beautiful when it's in focus. Okay, Robby.